subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched the top-end variant of Redmi K30 lineup in China called Redmi K30 Ultra with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Redmi K30 Ultra features a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports HDR10+, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Plus chipset paired with Mali G77MC9 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of RAM and 128, 256 or 512GB of internal storage. As per the camera, the Redmi K30 Ultra supports quad camera setup on the rear in a circular module at the top center including LED flash. The quad rear camera includes 64MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 13MP ultra-wide angle lens with 119° field of view plus 5MP macro lens with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 20MP motorized pop-up camera at the front. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 10 with MIUI 12 skin on top. The device comes equipped by a 4500 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with VC stereo cooling system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, infrared port and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.3 by 75.4 by 9.1mm and it weighs around 213 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Redmi K30 Ultra has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1999 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 2199 Chinese yuan, and the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 2499 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 2699 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Moonlight White, Midnight Black and Mint Green color options. So, what do you guys think of this Redmi K30 Ultra smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.